Good evening, everyone. Bo has been coming along so well that I am going to introduce him to down training today. I know many of you have already started, but for anyone who's struggling with this or just needs some tips or who hasn't started it, we'll do a little bit of down training today. Now, I don't always get them to do a sit. I did say the word, good boy, Bo. And then a down. But when they're just starting out, they'll give you the behavior they think you want. You're going to bring the treat down and just be patient and say, Bo, down. And you're waiting until the elbows hit the ground, like he was getting it. Good boy. Lots of encouragement. Good dog. Good dog. So sometimes you'll lure them forward. Other dogs, Bo, come. Good, come. Good boy. Okay. Little mud on you. Yes, have you been playing in the mud again? I know it's a rainy, muddy day. Bo, down. Just gotta be patient. You guys sweeten the deal. Here's a few kibbles. Down. And out. Boy. Good boy. Down. No, don't go after that, you smarty pants. He's going after the bowl of treats. Good boy. Down. Good boy! Yay! Good down. And just because it's his first time, I'm going to give him a few little treats. Good boy. I'm going to give him a few treats. I'm not surprised because it's his first down, so he realizes that when he's all the way down, he gets lots of treats. That was very good, Bo! Yay! Good boy! Good boy! Oh, you're so very good. Okay, Bo. Now let's see if he associates what the behavior was. Bo, down. Oh, clever boy! Wow. You definitely are a Waterbender Poodle. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. That was a good down. Bo, come. Come. Bo, come. Bo. I know you got treats for in the down position. But now I want you to break it. Good. Good boy, so I can get you to do it again. Bo, down. So that, oh, good dog. Good dog. So he did that rather quickly. So what I was going to say is oh, good boy, Bo, down. I put the treat between his front paws and he flops himself down. And that's very good that he doesn't automatically go for a sit and then a down, because later on, when they're doing more obedience, sometimes you want them to go immediately into a down. Sometimes you want them to go sit down, sometimes stand, sit down. Good boy, and down. So it's good that they understand they can get into the down position from either a standing position or from a sitting position. And, oh, Captain Jack is crying now because he wants in on this. Yes, because you did very well. Yeah, you did. You did very well. So this, Bo, down. Wait till the elbows hit the ground. Good boy. Another trick is sometimes they'll just lift their little elbows. They just don't want to get that last little bit. So if you bring it over to their side, it flops them into the down position. Oh, yes, you're being a very good demo puppy. So flop over to the side. Yay, good boy. Good boy. Bo, sit. Bo, sit. Come on, you can do it. Good sit. Good sit. So as they get really good with the sitting down, you can do puppy push-ups. So bow down. Good boy! Yay! Bow! Yay! You did very good. So puppy push-ups is basically sit down, sit down, sit down. But it's still good for them to learn to do it from a standing position too. Good boy, Bo. Are you a good dog? And down. Good boy. Good boy. So now that he's got the basic concept of the down, I'm going to add the hand signal. So for us, we use either a whole hand or two hands, and then we point to the ground. So I'm going to do this with the treat between my fingers. Bow, down. Good boy! Good dog! And we use this for sit. Good boy! Bow, down. Good boy! Good down! My goodness, you're smart. Smart like your mommy. Well, your daddy's smart too. Bow, sit. Come on. I'm luring him up into the sit position. Good, sit. Good boy. Bow, down. Down. Oh dear, we got a brother being a distraction. Well, that's good. You gotta learn to do distractions too. Bow, down. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good dog. There, you get another one. Yes. Oh, come here. Come here. You're so stuffy. You're so fluffy. You're also very dirty. Have you been playing in the garden today? Yes. Is it rainy and muddy and you're such a good boy? Such a boy. I kiss you. I kiss you. I kiss you again. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. So, pleasure spots. Good chest rub. Good little hip rub. Oh, yes. Oh, you're still in the treats, are you? And then where the... Oh, yeah, you're not going to do the ears right now. You're just all wired up. That's okay, because we're just going to do some play. Yes. Oh, what was that? What was that? Yeah. Yes, a good boy. Look, your kisses. Oh, I just love the kisses. Yes, I just love your kisses. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Do you want to go find a toy? All right, let's go find a toy. I'll turn this off first.